How to verify email on Webcast. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to verify your email on Webcast, it will be required when you're creating a new account or while you're trying to log in into Webcast. The steps are easy. First of all, you have to launch the application and then tap on the option of create new account if you have not created currently. Then after it will give you a place whereby you have to provide your email address. When asked for the email address, just type in your email address and a link will be sent to your Gmail. Then after tap on continue and then tap on the option open email app. Once you choose your current email application, it will give you a link there. Just tap on it and then tap on verify my email, and that is how you can now log in or create the account on Warpcast. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.